In this question, you have to identify the element that acts as a catalyst in the degradation of ozone and release of molecular oxygen in the stratosphere. Option A, carbon. It is incorrect because carbon does not play a catalytic role in the degradation of ozone in the stratosphere because it is not that reactive. Option B, chlorine. Now, chlorine atoms which is mainly released from chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, act as a catalyst in the degradation of ozone because a single chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules in the stratosphere through a series of reactions which involve, say, chlorine plus ozone gives rise to hypochlorite and oxygen. And this hypochlorite again reacts with atomic oxygen to give rise to chlorine and oxygen. So, this is the correct option. Option C, oxygen. It is incorrect because oxygen itself is not the catalyst but a reactant in the formation and breakdown of ozone. It participates in the natural ozone oxygen cycling without causing any degradation. Option D, iron. It is also incorrect because iron does not play any role in the catalytic degradation of ozone in the stratosphere.